Yo, we're in another backyard in central Upper Hutt, about to build a new house, another 2-lot subdivision coming your way courtesy of Your Place Building Code. So this one's a really cool story. 2 years ago we made a video that we were looking for some little jobs, this video here. We're busy right now and we're going to be busy next year, but I also can foresee we're going to have this little bit of a lull. And then Matt was a YouTube subscriber, reached out, asked me to come and look at building a deck in the backyard. They had a granny flat already there in the existing house. Came around, had a look at building the deck, and Matt started sharing some of his goals and told me that they were looking for a rental property. I had a look at the land and I was like, your rental property's right here, we could build in the backyard. They've gone through the resource consent process, they've gone through the design process, building consent process. That's taken a little bit of time and we're now here on site digging up the backyard, ready to build another brand new home. How cool, I'm actually real excited about this one. It's been so long in the making. Given that I know the area really well, we've done a number of jobs in the area, I was able to look at this very confidently from the start and say, I believe we can get a house there. Sent it to Prime Designs, they took a look, they're like, yep, 100% we can get it there. Sent it to the surveyor. Each step of the way, it just ticked all of the boxes in terms of being able to subdivide. We've had to demolish the shed and the granny flat. There's a swimming pool there that we're having to pull out. We're putting a fence up to separate lot 1 and 2. It'll still be 2 really nice houses that flow together. Here on this one, they want to incorporate whānau livings. So there's a single story home, 3 bedrooms, single garage, around 130 square meters. Some of the family is going to live in the existing house, some of the family is going to move into the new house. So we've even incorporated that in how the living areas and outdoor areas on lot 1 and 2 work. It is pretty loud right now. I don't know if you know, but we've got a digger and a truck and a builder all making a ton of noise. Last couple of days we built this fence between lot 1 and 2. Now we're putting up profiles. We'll use the profiles to get heights. We will run string lines off them. This will help us work out where everything's got to go. This is a profile right here. This is a good example of where we're going to cut out to. We've got to pull out 500 mils of topsoil, a metre around the entire building. And we've marked that out with spray paint, and now we've just got to let the digger do his thing. Murray, our digger driver, doing yet another house for us. If you haven't already, watch Murray's video. Right now I've built around 50 homes, and Murray's probably done the earthworks and prep on about at least 40 to 45 of them.